Hello and welcome to the practice of Yoga Nidra. My name is Kumari Sky and I am the relaxationist. I'm so excited to share this rapid Yoga Nidra that will help you reset in a really short amount of time. So this is not a traditional Yoga Nidra practice. I'll just be using some Yoga Nidra techniques that will give you that sense of being reset in less than 10 minutes. Without further ado, let's begin. Just finding yourself in a comfortable position. It could be seated or lying down. Place your hands on your lower abdomen and feel the rise and fall of your breath. Now, take a deeper breath in through the nose and pause at the top. And now exhale through your mouth. Again, big full breath in. Pause, pause, pause. Release. Like the air coming out of a balloon. Again, breathe in, deepest one yet, holding the breath at the top, holding, and feeling the body already softening and relaxing, receptive and welcoming of deep breaths. Now, repeat this sankalpa 3 times. I welcome rest into every cell of my body. I welcome rest into every cell of my body. I welcome rest into every cell of my body. Follow my voice as we move around the body, placing your attention in each place. Starting at the crown of the head, the center of the forehead, the eyes, the ears, the nose, lips, the right shoulder, the left shoulder, right elbow, left elbow, right wrist, left wrist, all 10 fingers, both hands, both arms, the center of the chest, the solar plexus, the lower abdomen, right hip, left hip, right knee, left knee, right ankle, left ankle, all 10 toes, both feet, both legs. Sense the whole body. The head, the front side of the body, the back side of the body, the entire body as one unified field of energy. The whole body deeply relaxed, feeling the breath flowing inside this body. The effortless breath happening. And now counting the breath backwards from 10 until 1. Inhale 10, exhale 10, inhale 9, exhale 9, inhale 8, exhaling 8, keep counting back to 1. Whole body heavy, sinking down, stillness, spaciousness, body deeply resting now. Simply be. Resting back. Every cell nourished, balanced. Breathe in deeply. Returning awareness to the body, to the feeling of the breath. Become aware of any sounds in the space you're in. Gently returning from this deep state of rest. Stretching your arms and legs. Breathing deeply again. Changing positions as you're ready. Opening your eyes and moving into the next segment of your day or evening with a peaceful, balanced energy. Wishing you all the best. Namaste.